morning. Morning, it's day 20 and we're about 10 more days left. So I'm kind of stumped for a style today, but in me playing around right now in the mirror, getting dressed and stuff for today, I figured I'd do something like really comical in a sense, and I think it would take a pretty brave person. I mean, I've worn some crazy styles before, but this one's just like really funny. I feel like it'll get a lot of, it'll turn a lot of heads. So, and it's really easy, but I think it definitely works when you have braids or plaits in your head, or your hair's at like maybe shoulder length to do that. So what I'm gonna attempt to do is like this palm tree look. So what you do is you pull all your hair to like the top of your head and hold it like this, but my only concern with doing this style is I need a scrunchie or something big enough to hold it there. So let's see. So like, let's scrub it all to the front. And this only happened when I was oiling it that I kind of saw that. But if you do it like that, oh, my hand's in a way you can't really see it. And like some of them come like this. Doesn't that look like a little palm tree? Like, you know, you got your root, then you got your long thing. Let me try to figure that out. Maybe I'm gonna try to wrap this up the thing a little bit. Oh, look at that, y'all. Okay. Come on now, tell me that ain't no good palm tree. Well, I mean, the palm could be longer. The tree part could be longer. So let's try to get a longer tree out of this. Got a little really small little tree. Come on. All right, listen. This would be perfect for like a Saturday or something, but I don't know how long I'm gonna rock the palm tree at work. But this is like, go ahead, little palm tree. So what I did was I took the locks, turned them around the base, and just tucked them in like where they ended, to give that more what is that? This part of the tree. Like you got the base and then you got the I don't know. That's bad. I need to figure out what that part of the tree is called. But to give this part of the tree before you get to the top where the palm leaves fly out. But look at that. What we think? Yeah, it kind of sucks some days that my hair is so dark. But I hope you can see that. Look at that. All right, but no, gotta go. So, if you enjoyed this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Like, be sure to comment, subscribe, turn your notifications, answer any poll cards that are popped out in this corner. Until next time, be easy.